Your attention, please.
So what did you guys think of the parade last night? We really enjoyed it. We had a great spot. Ashley picked out a great spot for us. So we got to watch the Sanderson sisters. Sorry I didn't record that. We just kind of wanted to enjoy it. And we really enjoyed the movie, so we kind of made it like our little moment. But the parade was awesome, and I hope you guys got to see our perspective. It was really cool when Oogie Boogie came up right up into our faces. What is she doing?
I don't have ears.
You don't have ears today. So Ashley just tried to interrupt us, but she doesn't have ears. But anyways, guys, day 6? So she waves the umbrella. Day 6, this is it. We are headed into Epcot. We are going to get some breakfast at Fountain View, which is Starbucks. Then we are going to probably hit Interventions to kill a little time. And then we have Test Track Fast Passes. We have Imagination with Figment of Fast Passes, and another one thrown in there that I just can't remember. We're also going to...
Nemo.
Oh, we have Nemo. The Seas with Nemo friends, which we haven't done yet. So we have all that to do. Plus, we have, of course, the Food and Wine Festival. We're going to start at France and work our way backwards toward Canada, since we haven't done that side yet, and just kind of see what they have. So let's just see. Let's just see how today goes. So guys, something that we haven't done yet. Well, we just did it, but something we hadn't done. We figured we'd save it till today, and that is the Sea Pavilion, which is Finding Nemo. It's got the giant saltwater aquarium. You guys need to check it out. It's really neat. A lot of different fish and dolphins and manatees and everything else. That, you know what? I don't want to talk about it. I'll just show you what we saw. Oh, I know. Guys, this is one of my least favorite animals in the ocean.
There's one in there. That's a shark, I believe. The size of these guys. If you can't tell, Ashley's a little excited. Alright. Is it coming up the wall? Oh, look at all these guys.
Our turtles were rescued, so they typically Disney releases their
Oh, look at the turtle. Nice, look at the turtle.
So what did you guys think of the aquariums and the dolphins? As you can tell, I like dolphins. Anyways, we are headed out of Epcot. We're gonna get on the monorail and head over to Magic Kingdom to conclude our trip. And we stopped by Ireland, stopped by the Ireland booth. That's where a lot of my origin is from Ireland. So we had to stop, and we got the sausage and mashed potatoes, which was really good. And we got brown bread and cheese beer dip. It's really good, really good. And I'm hoping that it's in my book that I purchased so I can make it at home. And when I do, I'll definitely show you guys. So we're gonna wait, well, walk up this huge giant ramp first. Then we're gonna wait for the monorail. We have not ridden the monorail yet. So today was the perfect day to take it from Epcot to the Ticket and Transportation Center, then transfer over to the Magic Kingdom monorail. So yeah, next stop, Magic Kingdom. I actually get to show you guys because there's nobody in here. We're in the train station. I wanted to show you guys this the other day, but there was so many people when we came in. It's kind of nice actually seeing a full-size train station. Got some old vintage view boxes. Look at it, look at it. Too bad it's out of order. Another view box. Look at that, 1 penny. It's like a retro foosball machine. This train station is so cool. You know, I've seen these everywhere, guys, these engraved ID tags. Are people just fascinated with them here at Disney World? I don't get it. So we're gonna wait here for the train, and we're gonna take it over to Thunder Mountain so we can finally ride Thunder Mountain, hopefully. Because every time we have attempted to this trip, it has fallen flat, and it's almost like we're destined not to ride it. So hopefully, we can make it over there and finally ride this ride. I have no idea where I last left you guys, but we are now in Fantasyland. We're gonna do the Mickey's Fill Our Magic. We had dinner at Tony's, which was really good. I highly suggest their pizza, which is really good. And Ashley had the spaghetti, which was very tasty. A little different because, you gonna grab my glasses? A little different because the pasta had a hole down it. Spaghetti pasta with the hole. It was kind of funky, but it still tasted really good. Like I said, my pizza was really good. So we're headed into the show. I wish I could film it, but they told me no, I cannot film it. So after this, we're headed to Haunted Mansion. And then I don't know what we're gonna do. We're kind of gonna do our shopping and get ready to kind of wind down the day. So we'll kind of see where we end up after this. Tim Tracker came to Disneyland and did a video on it. And he said he saw somebody bend over to pick up trash, and he says, oh, we don't have that at home.